Alrighty, in today's video we're going to go over how I clean up my wood burnings after I'm done burning to get all of the overburn and all of the gunk that builds up around your wood burning lines off. As you can see in the side-by-side comparison here, it makes a huge difference in the overall look and style and cleanliness of your wood burned piece, and I think it makes all the difference in the world. Okay, let's start with this one. This one is already done and I need to clean it up. So the first thing that I do is I take a wet rag. This is just an old kitchen towel that's already stained, and I get it wet, not dripping wet, but also not just damp. Like, it needs to be wet enough to do this, right? It needs to be wet enough to actually wet and clean and scrub the surface of the wood. Now, the other part of this, like, it's not just the cleaning, right? The other part of this is sanding, because when you get the surface of the wood wet, it's going to raise the grain a little bit and it's not going to be as smooth anymore. It's going to be a little bit fuzzy. So at the end of all of this, I show you how I sand the pieces. It's just with a little piece of scrap sandpaper, but anyway, I'll show you all of that there at the end.